I have teamed up with SpeedCube Shop to do a giveaway every couple of weeks for this entire year. I have teamed up with SpeedCube Shop to do a giveaway every couple of weeks for this entire year. All you have to do to enter, follow this channel, SpeedCube Review, and follow SpeedCube Shop's YouTube channel as well with a link in the description. Leave a comment below in this video of anything cubing related, or just tell me how your day's going. And somewhere in this video, you will find a code. That's going to be the key for the giveaway. When you see the code, go to speedcubereview.com, and on the homepage, you just enter the code as well as your contact information so I can contact you if you win. A random winner will get picked at the end of the 2 weeks, and then a new giveaway will begin. If you do shop at SpeedCube Shop, use discount code SCR to save yourself money at checkout, but also the more people that use that code, the more giveaways we can do. Good luck. Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got some stuff from DianSheng. I've not checked it out yet. Let's check it out together. Looks like a UV coated 4x4. So this is interesting. It's the 9cm puzzle, but I already opened that one and I don't know what's different. Something in there. We'll find out. Different magnets. We'll check that out. And a Pyraminx. Okay, let's do the Pyraminx first. I don't really do Pyraminx anymore, so we'll see if I notice anything special about it. I like these magnetic capsules. They remind me of older GAN puzzles. Wow. I mean, that seems great. Let's see if I remember how to solve it. As far as performance, I can't really judge it too well. It's a little bit flexible, more than I would like at the moment. Okay, so I did keyhole method, which was first solving two sides, putting those on bottom, and then there we go, solving that. And then how do I solve this? It was that, and then finished. Okay. Seems nice. Can't really tell too much about it. Let's figure out what's different in the 9mm puzzle. Or 9cm. 90mm. Oh, that's what's different. It's not a 3x3. It's a 2x2. Actually, I might use this to teach. I'm redoing my the videos on how to solve a cube, and solving a very tiny one isn't always easy to watch. We have spring adjustments. Those are strong magnets. Holy cow. Let's do some solves. Turns great, honestly. This is wonderful. Okay. Can't really see too well, so I'll just try to look behind the camera. Let's do two more. This is fun. This is definitely going to my classroom for my homeroom students to mess around with. Okay. And one more. I'm enjoying this a lot. Okay. I've done yellow every time. Am I just scrambling it that way? Let's do green. Let's change it up, do some green. Okay. That CLL's coming in handy. Solar 4x4 UV coated. Ooh, this feels compact. Okay, about 59mm. Very sharp corners compared to some other ones. Very fast. It seems slightly thinner outer edges, but it might just be that I'm used to other ones being a little bit more bubbly. But that corner definitely looks smaller than that piece. Either way, this reminds me of the Fusion, what was it? The one that a lot of people used, there was like the spring mod for it. But something from DianSheng. It has that very blocky feel. I love the feeling of this. No lubrication, outside edges a bit smoother than inside. I've got to just do some solves. This is wonderful. Let's see here. I like this overhead camera, so I'm going to move this. So it performs great, but some of the slices I was catching a bit. So I'm gonna, this is a little tight too. I could try loosening it. But let's just add a little bit of Stardust first. So close. Okay, I'm gonna keep working with this one. I really like it. I think what it reminds me most of is the Cyclone Boys Mini. If there was like an updated version of that, it gives me that feel of it. No modern 4x4 feels like this. Is that a bad thing? Depends on what you prefer. Like if you really like the MGC feeling, you're gonna hate this. But it feels great. It feels really, really, really nice. Awesome. So that is what is new from DianSheng. Let me know your thoughts. This 2x2 is glorious. I love what they've been doing so much great stuff lately. I am all for that. So thank you very much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Please hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by Speak to be viewed for more news and reviews.